You copy and paste one article, you earn $100. You copy and paste 3 articles, you earn $300. You copy and paste 10 articles, you earn $1,000. Just recently, I was able to earn $400 for myself just by using this copy and paste system. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this even if you are a beginner who do not have any experience. All you need is your smartphone and your computer. On this website I'm about to show you, you're going to see a lot of blog articles like these ones that are written in form of top 10 formats. They have hundreds of articles and this website is getting millions of views on a daily basis. Now, this website do not create these blog articles that you're seeing here. These articles are being created by people like you and I and are cashing out a lot of money. There are simple techniques which you can use to make easy money online, which is what I'm going to teach you in this video. And it's completely free and it works worldwide. So if you just see me, my name is Chidi. I'm a Make Money Online enthusiast and I'm very, very passionate about helping you make money on the online space. So hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also turn your notification bell on to always get updated whenever I drop beautiful content that can possibly make you money on the online space in a legitimate way. Now, on this website, the deal is that they pay you $100 for your efforts. You do not need to be an expert, neither do you need to be an expert in English language before you can earn on this website. So all you need to do is to write your list in a top 10 format and send it to them, and they send you a reply once it is approved and published. And then the next thing they do is to send you your $100 via your PayPal account. Mind you, this website only accepts PayPal, and the name of this website is called listvast.com. Now I'm going to show you how you can generate these articles using Google and AI, and then you get paid immediately. You do not need to do this work all by yourself. So like I said, it is very easy to do. All you just need to do is to follow me closely and you will make your first $100 by using this method. Now, the first thing to do is to use your ChatGPT if you have one. And if you do not have ChatGPT, all you need to do is to head over to your Google account and search for ChatGPT, or you search for OpenAI and you sign up with your email address and your password. Now, this ChatGPT will help you generate this article for money. All you need to do is to come here and type, write me a good article about a top 10 list. And ChatGPT will generate this blog article for you for free. And if you do not like the article it has generated, you keep asking it to do so again. It keeps bringing you different article, different formats, and then you choose from it. Now, what you want to do now is to copy this article that it has generated for you, and then you head back to listvast.com and search for the submission form right here. Click here and submit this article. Just go ahead and follow the instruction on the page. Now, if you look here, you will see that this website stated that they only accept articles from the US, UK, South Africa, Ireland, and the rest. But then you can still make money from this website. All you just have to do is to look for a good VPN, which you're going to use, and this website will not detect your location. So now here, you go ahead to input all your details. So make sure you submit articles on different topics. So try to submit as many articles as you can, because they may not accept all the articles that you submit. But the more you submit, the more chances of getting your articles accepted and approved. So when you send in your blog articles, you don't need to include any pictures or videos. Their team of editors has a way of selecting the best image that will complement your article. So this is basically how you can use this copy and paste system to earn a lot of money from this website. I hope you got value from this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also like this video. Until my next video, it is peace out.